Okay, hey everyone, it's Molly. Today we're going to make a recipe that I did not find in an old cookbook. It says it's an old recipe. Let me show you. I will have to find this on my computer and put a screenshot of this, but I'll post a better picture of this later on when I edit the video. It's called Under the Sea Salad, and it's lime jello, cream cheese, diced pear, like you just saw me diced canned pears. So I think it'll be good. So let's get started, and I will post a recipe for you guys down below in the video description box, and I will also find this picture and post it so you'll have that. So let's get going. Okay, so I've got a cup of boiling water here, and I accidentally bought sugar-free lime jello, but I think it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna dissolve my jello. If you were using regular jello, you would use the 3-ounce package. And then my salt, so it's just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And like I said, I will post the recipe for you guys down below in the video's description box. So let's get that mixed up in the boiling water. It smells good. I like the smell of lime jello. I'm a little congested today. So let me blow this picture back up. Okay, so we're gonna add the pear syrup. So when you drain your pears, reserve 3/4 cup of the syrup and add water if you need to. So you're gonna add that, and then it's just a tablespoon of lemon juice. And my pears came in fruit juice. They actually didn't come in, it's just a tablespoon of lemon juice. They actually didn't come in syrup, it was fruit juice. But I think that'll be okay. So, it also called for 1 pound can of pears, which the can I have was 14.5 ounces. So close enough. I think it'll be all right. So you're gonna measure 1 1/4 cups of this into a 1 quart mold, and then you're gonna chill it until it's set but not firm. So let me get a mold down. So I collect Jello molds. And I have all of these, and honestly, I am not good at visualizing 1 quart. I'll just use this one. So let me wash this because it's kind of been up here. Ugh, I'm short. It's been up here for a while, so let me wash it real quick. Okay, measuring 1 1/4 cups. I think maybe a little bit more. Okay, I have my mold. This smells really good, so I think we're off to a good start. And again, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and chill it until firm. And I'll see you guys when this is done. This is why I don't like doing recipes on my phone, because my phone the screen keeps going dark. So it says chill until set, but not firm. Okay, so I'm not sure, and it doesn't give any sort of guidelines, so I'll check it in an hour. It says, meanwhile, soften cheese, and you need 6 ounces of cream cheese until creamy. Gradually add remaining gelatin, so don't toss your gelatin after you measure it. Blending until smooth. Add ginger. So we're gonna let this cool. And then this has been already sitting out. It feels pretty soft, but we'll wait until this is cool, and then we'll blend these together, and then we'll check on our Jello mold and see how it's going. Okay. So my cream cheese is softened. And I'm just gonna do this in my mixer because I think it'll be easier. I'm going to mix the softened cream cheese. Holy crap, if I could get it. Okay. In with the remaining Jello, which is right, ooh, I need a scraper. Which is right here. And that has cooled, but not set. And then I have the ginger, and it's just 1/8 of a teaspoon, so probably like that amount. And then you just mix it, and then you set this in the refrigerator to firm up a little bit. And then when it's somewhat firm, you fold in the diced pears. So I think I need the whisk attachment. So this is going in the refrigerator to set up a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so it says to chill into very thick. That seems very thick to me. So I've got my pears. And I'm just gonna fold them in. Well, I'm not really folding. Fold in the cheese, fold in the pears. Okay, anyways. All right, it's good. I have my gelatin mold. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna carefully spoon this cream cheese mixture on top. It smells actually really good. I think this is going to be a good recipe. I'm hoping. I think we've got a winner. We'll see. We'll see how it tastes in the end. Okay, let me grab a spoon and then just carefully leaving it all out. You can use whatever kind of mold you want. The recipe does say a 1 quart mold, and I didn't measure this one, but I mean, obviously it's holding it. So honestly, the picture made this look a lot bigger than it's actually appearing, but oh well. And it didn't say to grease the mold, so I did not. So just carefully smooth, take your time. All right, now we're gonna go put this back in the refrigerator and chill it until it's firm. So maybe till tonight, I'm not sure. All right, I'll see you guys then. Okay, so it's actually the next day, and I just kind of dipped this in some warm water. So let's turn it out. Heard it go. And there it is. Under the sea Jello mold. Let's get Dan in here and taste this. Okay, Dan.
Hey, Molly, what'd you make?
I made under the sea Jello mold. It's lime, ginger, pear, and cottage cheese. Please taste.
Sounds gross, but
Well,
I'll hold judgment and let's see.
it's supposed to be regular Jello, and I accidentally bought sugar-free lime Jello, but I think it'll be all right. You don't like it?
It's very odd.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it smelled good.
It smells good, but
Is it really bad?
we're not bad. It's just odd.
Let me try it.
Hey, Molly, it's your turn to try it. Tell me what you think. Little different?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Not good.
It's not, I mean, as far as vintage Jello molds go, looks like you're aiming that camera really high.
Oh, in your face.
Oh, as far as vintage Jello molds go, this is probably one of the better ones. But I wouldn't go out of my way to make it again.
Yeah, no. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either.
Yeah.
It's just kind of
Weird.
in the middle. Weird.
It's a little weird.
Yeah.
It's actually, it's really growing on me. The more I eat it, the more I kind of like it. First, I wasn't sure what.
Nothing. Just showing it.
Oh, at first I wasn't sure about the ginger, but now I kind of like it. Actually, really kind of like it.
Uh-oh.
I am actually
Might have a winner.
I needed it. I had never had these flavors together. Yeah, I like it. It's good.
Okay.
I like the texture too.
Well,
I like
you
it.
need to take it to your sister's
Well, oh yeah, I'll bring it to Tessa's.
and then have her get on camera and try it.
So I will, like I said, post the recipe down below in the video description box for you. This did not come out of a vintage cookbook. I mean, I'm sure it probably was in a vintage cookbook, but I found it through a Google search. And I will find that image and post it in the video for you so you can just see it. My Jello mold, mine looks a little sad, but that's fun. You can play around with different flavors. It could be whatever you want. It doesn't have to be pear, it doesn't have to be lime. They're creative.
I like pineapple and raspberry.
Don't use fresh pineapple in Jello. The Jello won't set. Pineapple has an enzyme in it that will not make the Jello not set.
That's good to know.
Use canned pineapple. Anyways, that's my tip. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. And the next video is going to be salmon gratin. I'm so excited. I'm making that tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.